Hey there! It's Asalov here, bringing you another exciting journey into the world of digital currency with Coughing Cat, the platform that's redefining cryptocurrency mining. Today, I've got something special for all of you crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Coughing Cat isn't just any platform. It's a peer-to-peer digital currency paradise that's both fast and secure. With its roots as an open-source project, Coughing Cat boasts an active and vibrant community that's eager to welcome new members. This platform stands out, not just for its innovative approach to mining, but also for its commitment to decentralization and security, ensuring that your crypto journey is both profitable and safe. Coughing Cat, CoinGecko. Now, I've got a little secret to share with you. By joining Coughing Cat, you're not just entering the world of cryptocurrency, you're also unlocking a treasure trove of benefits. And here's the best part. You can get started with a special advantage. While I can't share the code right here, I've made sure it's available right on the screen and in the video description. Use it when you sign up to kickstart your mining journey with an increased mining rate, propelling you ahead in the crypto race. Coughing Cat, CoinGecko. What sets Coughing Cat apart is not just its innovative platform, but also its vibrant community and the plethora of resources available to its users. From detailed white papers to a comprehensive guide on getting started, everything you need is at your fingertips. And for those looking to dive deeper, the platform's social channels and community forums are rich sources of knowledge and support, where you can share insights, tips, and experiences with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Coughing Cat, Catmine. For those curious about the performance and prospects of Coughing Cat, it's worth noting that while specific price details are currently under wraps, the anticipation is high, with a strong community following eagerly, awaiting updates. This anticipation speaks volumes about the potential impact and growth of Coughing Cat in the cryptocurrency market. CoinGecko. In conclusion, if you're looking to venture into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, Coughing Cat offers a unique and enriching experience. Don't forget to use the special referral code available in the description and on your screen to maximize your mining potential from the get-go. And remember, this is just one of the many adventures in the world of digital currency we're embarking on together. For more insights, tips, and crypto journeys, make sure to browse through my channel. There's a whole library of content waiting for you, with new videos added regularly. Join the Asalov community today, and let's navigate the thrilling prospects of the crypto universe together.